students, good afternoon. I think motion in a straight line chapter is completed. Motion in a straight line chapter complete agayte. Adar mele some problems bidistina. First PUC motion in a straight line chapter problems. Problems on chapter yavadri motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. Straight line. Este enbadu bittindi. Problems on motion in a straight line. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಥಿಯರಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. A jet aeroplane A jet aeroplane traveling at the speed of 500 kilometer per hour ejects its products of consumption at the speed of 1500 kilometer per hour. 1500 kilometer per hour relative to the jet plane ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ jet plane full point. What is the speed of ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು. what is the speed of the later with the LATTER later with respect to an observer on the ground. Yes, question mark. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮುಗಿದ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಚೈತಾ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. A jet aeroplane traveling at a speed of 500 km per hour ejects its product of consumption at the speed of 1500 km per hour relative to the jet plane. What is the speed of the later with respect to an observer on the ground? Yes, first you can write given data. VR is given and VP is given. I think I will change in VP is equal to solution. VP is equal to velocity of product. Yes, the 500 kilometer per hour. Yes, then VR relative velocity is the 1500 kilometer per hour. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ VL is equal to question mark VL is equal to question mark. Then all are the given data. ಇವೇನದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ given rate. VP is also in kilometer per hour. VR is also in kilometer per hour. Then no problem. The final result is also in kilometer per hour. Suppose if VP is in meter per second, VR is in kilometer per hour. Therefore, we can convert kilometer per hour is converted into meter per second. If all given data are only in one system, then final result is also one system. Suppose if all given data are in different system, then all different systems are converted into only one system. Therefore, the final result is correct. That is one system. We know ಗೊತ್ತದಲ್ರಿ ಮೊದಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ ಗಿವನ್ಸ್ their unit with respect to units are CGS system, MKS system, FES system. First you can confirm, then after you can simply simplify the simple problem. Yes, in this problem VP is also in kilometer per, VR is also in kilometer per hour. Then no problem. Then VL, the calculated value is also measured in what? Kilometer per hour. Yes. Then relative later with respect to observer on the ground, that is VL is equal to VR plus VP. VR plus VP. Sorry. First you can confirm observer. What is the observer? According to the definition of Doppler effect. What is the Doppler effect? The apparent change in frequency due to the relative motion between source and observer. Already we know in 10th standard Doppler effect. The relative motion between source and observer. The aeroplane traveling at the speed of 500 km per hour ejected its product of consumption at the speed of 1500 km per hour. 1500 km per hour. Therefore, the 1500 km per hour is the resultant values. ಹೌದಾ? ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಎಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ? VR is equal to VC plus VL plus VP. VL plus VP. ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ? VL ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ VL is equal to what happens? VR minus VP. VR minus VP. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, substituting VR and VP in this equation, then VL is equal to VR is given 1500 minus VP is 500, then VL is equal to how much? Only 1000 km per hour. Yes, this is the result. Very simple. Okay. Second problem. Problem number 2, students. Right. A car moving along a straight line, along a straight line with a speed of 126 km per hour. 126 km per hour is brought to a stop within a distance of 200 meter, full point, what is the retardation what is the retardation of the car and how long does it take for the car to stop then question mark. Yes, ಇದು simple problems today. Repeat once again. ನೋಡಿ problem ನೋಡಿ. A car moving along a straight line, so straight away with a speed of 126 km per hour, he is brought to stop within a distance of 200 meter. What is the retardation of the car and how long does it take for the car to stop? ये क्वेश्चन मार्क ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. First you can write given data ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ given data ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Initial velocity is given, that is u is equal to 126 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour is converted into meter per second because the another distance are in mk system 200 meter, the automatically kilometer per hour is converted into meter per second. ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ equal to 126 ಹಂಗ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ into 1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ 1000 ಮೀಟರ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸಾರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜೀರೋ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ 1000 ಮೀಟರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಅವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ 3000. 1 ಅವರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ರಿ 60 into 60 ಎಷ್ಟಾತ್ರಿ 360 yes 1010 get cancel ರೀ ಸಾರಿ 3600 ರೀ ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 3600 ರೀ ರೈಟ್ 1010 get cancel ರೀ ಈ 1010 get cancel ರೀ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು 10 by 36 ಉಳಿತು 10/36 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನದ 126 ಅದ ಹೌದಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಗುಣಾಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾತ್ರಿ 1260 I think whole divided by 36 ones 36 35 ದ ಆಗುತ್ತಂತದ್ರಿ yes ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ u is equal to 35 meter per second ನೋಡಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ತಿಳಿದಲ್ರಿ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸರ್ ಅಗಳೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಹಂಗ ಇಟ್ರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅನದರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀಟರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಅದ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ನಾವು MK ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ u equal to 35 meter per second. Then what is the final velocity? The final velocity u is 0. Why? A car moving along a straight line with a speed of automatically the given car is moving. If the car is moving, only initial velocity is there. The final velocity is 0. Why? Because the given car is not end point, not end or not reaches the final point. The given car is not reaches the final point. Automatically, the final point and the final velocity becomes 0. Therefore, v is equal to 0. U is equal to 35. V is equal to 0. The distance s is given. The distance s is 200 meter. 200 meter. Then what is the question mark? A retardation A is question mark, minus A is question mark, and time t is question mark. Yes, then by using formula, basic formula, first you can use the V square is equal to U square plus 2A into S. It is clear? Yes. Then V square minus U square is equal to, tell me, 2A into S. How that? Then 0 square, 0 minus 35 whole square equal to 2 into A into 200. 200. How that? Yes, 35 square. 35 into 35. 1,225 is equal to A into 400. 2 into 200 into 2, 400. It is clear? Yes. Idu minus reason. Yak minus bantu? Higher value minus lower value. Lower value is 0. 0 square is 0. It is clear? Yes. Then A is equal to minus 1,225 divided by 400. 1,225 divided by 400. A is equal to minus 3.0625 meter per second square. This is the retardation. Negative sign indicate retardation. Negative sign indicate retardation. It is clear? Yes. The next point is, again by using formula V is equal to U plus AT, because the second question is how long does the time taken T is question mark. Again V minus U is equal to AT, therefore T is equal to V minus U divided by A. Then that is equal to U is 0 minus U is 35 divided by minus 3.1 rounding to rounding number 0.06. The 6 is higher value, then automatically it is shift to 0 position. The 0 becomes 1, then 3.1. Yes. Then T is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 3.1. Then 0 minus get cancelled. Then 35 divided by 3.1. Then T is equal to 11.29 second. Yes, this is the final result. Second, simple problem. Simple problem. Yes, any doubts? Any doubts? No doubt. Okay. The next problem number 3. Problem number 3. Two trains A and B of length 400 meter each are moving on two parallel on two parallel tracks with a uniform speed of uniform speed of 72 kilometer per hour in the same direction comma with train A ahead of B, train B, full point. The driver of B decides to overtake ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಎ and accelerates by 1 meter per second square full point if after AFTR if after 50 second comma the guard GUARD the guard of B just BRUSHES ಏನದ brushes fast the driver of A comma what was the original distance between them them yes question mark ಇದು given problem ರೀ yes read once again two trains A and B of length 400 meter each are moving in two parallel tracks with a uniform speed of 72 km per hour in the same direction. With A ahead of B, the driver of B decides to overtake A and accelerates by 1 meter per second square. If after 50 seconds the guard of B just brushes past the driver of A, what was the original distance between them? What was the original distance between them? Yes. First you can calculate given data ನೀವು ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ u is given ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ u is equal to 72 km per hour then kilometer per hour is converted into meter per second then that is equal to 72 into 1000 divided by 3600 ಎರಡು zero get cancel ರೀ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಅವರ is equal to 720 divided by 36 720 divided by 36 equal to 20 meter per second ಇದು ಏನಿದು initial velocity. Yes, then first you can calculate x1 then x1 is equal to ut because by using definition of velocity u is equal to x1 divided by t then this implies x1 is equal to ut. How then time already time is given 50 seconds. First you can calculate the time then time is given 50 seconds. Time is 50 seconds. Acceleration A is equal to 1 meter per second square. Acceleration A is equal to 1 meter per second square. Yes. Then calculate x1. x1 is equal to ut. Yes. Then x1 is equal to u is 20 into t is 50. 20 into 50. Then x1 is equal to 1000 meter. 1000 meter. Yes, then directly we can calculate x2 values. Then x2 is equal to ut plus half at square. By using third equation, x2 is equal to ut plus half at square. ut plus half at square. Then directly we can calculate x2 values. x2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ x2 is equal to U value is I think U value 20 into P 50 plus 1 by 2 A value is 1 it is square 50 square yes then x2 is equal to ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತಿ 1000 ಐತಲ್ರಿ 1000 ಅದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 by 2 ಹಂಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನ್ರಿ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ 50 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 50 into 50 2500 ರೀ 50 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆತ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ones the 2 ones the divide by 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1225 ಅಲ್ಲ 1250 ಆತ then x2 is equal to 1000 plus 1250 ಆತ್ರಿ yes very good ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 2250 ಮೀಟರ್ x2 ಹೌದಾ ಇದು x2 ಅದು x1 ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ then resultant x is equal to what x2 minus x1 then x2 minus x1 then x is equal to x2 2250 minus x1 is 1000 yes ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತದ್ರಿ 1250 meter yes this is the result 1250 yes 1250 meter original distance between two trains the original distance x is the original distance the original distance between two train is equal to x2 minus x1 then original distance x is equal to x2 is 2250 minus x1 is 1000 2250 minus 1000 is equal to 1250 meter this is the original distance of the train yes good next problem problem number 4 a bullet moving with moving with a velocity of 100 meter per second strikes strikes a wooden plank plank full point it penetrates the plank to a depth of 20 centimeter before coming to a stop before coming to a stop full point calculate the average retardation of the bullet while passing through the plank plank yes full point idu problem right yes repeat once again a bullet moving with a velocity of 100 meter per second strikes a wooden plank it penetrates the plank to a depth of 200 centimeter before coming to a stop full point calculate the average retardation of the bullet while passing through the plank yes ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು? ರಿಟಾರ್ಡೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬುಲೆಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾ, then solution. Final velocity is 0, v is 0 because again the bullet move agaitre adu. Initial velocity is given 100 meter per second, the final velocity is 0. Their depth s is 20 centimeter, then centimeter is converted into meter, then 20 centimeter is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Centimeter is converted into meter, 10 raised to minus 2 or 0.2 meter or 0.2 meter. Yes, then a retardation, the negative acceleration is question mark. Negative acceleration, retardation means question mark, that is retardation. ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ retardation. A is question mark in given data. Yes, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ by using all these given data, then directly we can use basic formula. V square is equal to u square plus 2as, then v square minus u square is equal to 2as, then a is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2s. ತಿಳಿತಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ v square minus u square equal to 2as. a ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ, 2s ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬಾತ್ ಇನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ. a is equal to 0 square minus u is 100 square whole divided by 2 into 0.2. 2 into 0.2. Yes, a equal to minus 100 square 10,000. Okay, divided by 2 into 0.2. 0.4. Then a equal to minus 10,000 divided by 0.4. 25,000 meter per second square. Yes. Negative sign indicate retardation. Negative sign ಏನು representation ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು retardation. Negative sign indicate retardation. Yes, retardation of the bullet is 25,000. Retardation of the bullet is 25,000. Or negative remove ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. Negative sign indicate retardation. Or ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, or a is equal to 25,000 meter per second square. The retardation of the bullet. Yes. Okay. I think I will stop here only. Problems in this chapter. I will continue next chapter, next class, Tuesday. System of particles and rotational motion. That is also very important chapters in side exam like JEE, NEET and CET. System of particle and rotation method, rotational system and rigid body. That chapter is depends upon vector analysis. Already we know motion in a plane. Some concepts are studied in motion in a plane chapter. So all concepts are used. Then directly you can easily study in system of particle and rotational motion. Okay, thank you.